Some chemistry platforms feel like a constant test instead of a place to learn. That pressure adds to student stress and often drives them toward shortcuts. Aktiv Chemistry changes that. We lower the barriers of frustration and anxiety, providing a supportive environment where students can focus on learning from their mistakes. We do this by scaffolding the process, guiding students as they actively build their solutions, one step after another. When they hit a snag, targeted feedback identifies the critical error, one mistake at a time, so students can correct their misconceptions and stay motivated. Aktiv also reduces technical barriers known to cause frustration. Smart suggestions simplify inputs, letting students focus on chemistry concepts rather than worrying about losing points to typos. With a library of more than 30,000 problems aligned to all major textbooks, you can easily run in-class problem-solving sessions and assign homework and quizzes, plus personalized learning with adaptive follow-ups, which automatically deliver tailored exercises after each assignment. These finite problem sets meet every learner where they are, offering extra practice on topics students struggled with, or more challenging problems for students who ace their homework. Because success starts from day one, Aktiv's Readiness module identifies prior knowledge gaps and builds a personalized study plan to ensure every student has a strong foundation. Join a community of more than 2,000 instructors who are using Aktiv Chemistry to support their students. Discover the formula for student success.